Inspire took care of
Oh, yeah.
everything from the very start to the very finish. I found you through the American Society of Barcelona, and as soon as I started posting that I needed an attorney that we wanted to buy and we wanted to make sure everything was okay and done right from the beginning, we got so many people responding to us saying, you have to use Inspire, you have to use Inspire. So I looked you up and contacted you, and everything was very obvious from the beginning that this was what we needed. Well,
I would advise that they contact you because you do great work.
Well, I actually think that unless they are positive they can find someone else exactly like you, they'd be insane not to contact you. Like, why would anybody who isn't from this country want to go through this process with all the incredible details and little rabbit holes that you can fall down and stumbling blocks and strange eccentricities of the system? Why would anybody want to go through that without you? I can't even fathom it. I'm a lawyer. I would never want to go through it without you. So that's just my opinion. Well, I just want to say
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. I also want to say you took care of everything. Inspire took care of everything from the very start to the very finish. And we were so impressed because there was a woman at Inspire who was helping us, and she got sick. Her back went out and she got COVID. But even sick with COVID, with her back out, undoubtedly from her bed, she messaged us yesterday to ask if we had any more questions. On a Sunday, the day before our closing. That's what you guys are like. So, that says it all.